Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a diagram inside of Draw.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've got your work and you need to save it. So the best way to do this is to hover over the top here and look for the File tab. Then from here we can save as or export as. So depending how you want to save it as, I suggest clicking on export, and then we can export it as a PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG, PDF, XTML, XML, URL. So just choose which one. If I want to save this as a XML, I'm going to click on XML, and now I want to click onto compressed and then click export. And now it's going to go ahead and open up our folders here. And so I want to save this as, we can change the name. So I want to say project 1. Now I want to save this in my download section on my computer and click save. Now to open this, we can go ahead and click on file, click on open. I'm going to discard those changes, and then here it is here. I'm inside my download, so double click onto it and that's going to open up your project.